I'm so upset right now, and I hardly do reactions about native doctors, right? Like showing their face and then reacting to it. I hardly do that. I can just bring one or two things I see online and then react to them and tell you precautions about them. But this one hurts me so much. This one got to me so much. And this person was actually admitting that he has done so many evil. My heart is really grieved, but I'm trying to hold myself. And I just wish believers, I just wish some of our brothers can wake up and understand. And if you understand what I'm saying, you see the reason why the governor of Anambra State is doing what he's doing. But let me not waste too much of the time because I know you are eager to watch what I'm talking about. So I'm going to blur the face of, I'm going to try to blur the face of the people here. But get an Igbo friend or brother to interpret what the person is saying. Or better yet, I'm still going to talk about what he was saying. Just listen.
Onye bịara ebe a sị ka ebe ọrịa ọgwụ ọjọọ ya wee je megide mmadụ ibie ọ ka ya wee je zuo ohi ọ ka ya wee je mago ịjacho ngwa onye bịa sị ka imerie ọgwụ ọjọọ for the first time since iji mebe this thing. Well, ha ka nkụ mana ohi ya wụna bụ ohi ana eti ya aka.
Now listen, I have to be stopping it while speaking because he's speaking Igbo, my native language. So they asked him the question, the interviewer asked him a question. He said, since you started doing your voodoo stuff, have someone ever come into your vicinity or come into your tent and asked for you to do something evil? Now, you're going to still hear the evil in the context they was talking about was to do evil. Something that is dangerous, something that is very, very bad. Really, really evil and really, really dangerous. That was what they were asking him. So I want you to listen to what he said.
Okay. Like Guagu, Tomona family, Kahari Nudi, or Kahari Atego, or Kayule, Imagodo Guacamino, Kanko, in a war here, Yambosabahia, medicine.
Now, listen to what he said. They asked him, he said, the kind of charm we're talking about, is it the charms that, you put for elephantitis, the one you put in people's house, and the person can stay, if the person steps on it, he has elephantitis, evil charms. He's talking about evil charm that can honor life people. That was what they're asking. And he said so much. He has done so much of it. Do you understand? He has done so much of it. I mean, he has done so much of it. Let's continue. Then there was something he said. He said he's just selling market. And he's just selling market. That now if you're so that means I'm just selling market. So if someone wants the one that kills, I offer. Wants the one that gives wealth, he offers. Whatever. He's just selling market. Doesn't really care. But let's continue. Listen. I'm gonna stop interrupting, but just listen.
Maria, you stop boy
Okay, now listen. He said that the reason why he stopped doing such kind of evil charms, why he stopped doing such kind of evil charms, was because there was one he did that cost probably the life of his son. He said the child is playing. One of the why he stopped was the time he did the charm, and while his little boy was playing, the boy fell down. So, but he didn't say whether the boy collapsed, whether the boy died or not. I don't understand. But let's keep listening.
Okay. So I would talk I said and here you not kijabo before. Okay, before. Or more do that water can hit. Immediately. Even mad 4,000 naira.
Now listen to what he said. What he said, what it takes to honor life people is no more than 4,000 naira. We're talking about close to $2 or $3. That what it takes for him to honor live people using his voodoo is not more than $3. So it's someone that if you pay $3, he can prepare a charm that can honor life somebody. And this is why they keep telling you guys, don't pray. You pray too much. God, because they want you to be vulnerable for the attacks. They want you to be vulnerable so that the attacks of the enemy can hit you. You have no clue. You have no clue what Christianity is doing in the life of many persons. You have no clue what your prayer, people that your prayer is sustaining and helping to stand firm. You have no clue. You have no clue how powerful that your prayer that you have been making is. 3,000 naira. I remember that time elephantitis. They sell it in the market. In order for you to inflict someone with elephantitis, we had one of the legs is so big, swollen. You pay few amount of money. I think it's about 100 naira or 200 naira. Elephantitis, and the person might treat you with about 300,000, 200,000 thereabout. Sometimes the person they'll have to amputate the person's leg. Sometimes the person even dies. You can imagine that wickedness. Okay, let's continue.
Any weapon, you know. Even when the stroke is nothing.
And eziokwu.
Well, God will come back and test you.
Nke a na-asị na mmadụ nwere ike n'obodo oyibo agwọ were donatia. Ọ na-eme. Ọ na-eme.
Ị ga n'obodo oyibo na nsogbu ga amụ n'ime ya amụ arụzụ ọrụ.
So he talked about stroke, that they can project stroke to people. And this guy is saying this thing openly. So this is an open confession. I'm happy this guy has actually entered into media. I'm happy the native authors, they have the wisdom. I'm happy they are on social media, because the more they speak, in as much as it's affecting some of our youth, but the more they speak, the more you see their devices. The Bible says we're not ignorant of the device of the enemy. When you see us in the church praying and saying every arrow we project, we cancel it, they think it's a waste of time. You think it's a waste of prayer. You think we don't know what we're doing. We know the device of the enemy. We know their projection. We understand what they do. And that's why we stand in the church to counter them. So while you are walking, someone can project something, stroke. You don't know where it's coming from. All of a sudden, you have stroke. Keep thinking this life is a joke. Keep taking this life as a joke. Keep zuzuing up and down. And don't take this Christian walk serious. There are people that, you see, he said they have unalived many persons. That's what I saw. I'm reacting to what I saw. I'm so grieved. Hi, it's well.